Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fiona Jackson from the University of KwaZulu-Natal Pietermaritzburg campus. I started my academic life as an applied linguist, working in academic development and academic literacy courses. I also became part of the Applied Language Studies department, where we looked very much at how language can be used and understood in more effective and creative ways, and did a lot of work in helping language teachers understand language better and how to communicate themselves and how to teach their learners mastery of language, particularly in writing. For the last 12 years, I've worked in media studies and have had to learn how to try and bring that kind of academic literacy orientation into content teaching, which I have found quite a struggle and a juggle. So it's in that context that I've actually learned about reading to learn and have worked to try and bring some reading to learn practices into my content teaching at both undergraduate level and to some degree in my honours teaching.